Welcome back. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to issue a credit note to a customer. In this video, we'll walk through the process of receiving an advance payment from a customer, which we will later adjust against open invoices. To begin, we'll open the Receive Money application. We'll start by adding a new transaction. Since we're receiving an advance, we'll initiate this entry by selecting the Add button. The system automatically displays the entry date, and the accounting period is determined based on the selected date. If you choose to backdate the entry, say to the 25th of May, the system will adjust the accounting period accordingly, provided the period is open and your user role has permission for backdated entries. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with today's date. Next, select the type of payment such as wire transfer, cash, or check. In our case, we'll choose wire transfer. Then, choose the bank or cash account into which the funds are being received. A key step is setting the entry type. If you select Own Account, the system treats it as a general receipt. However, for advance payments, we need to select Subledger. Once Subledger is selected, we specify the subledger type, in this case, Customer. You may also assign a cost center if applicable, though it's optional. At this point, you can enter a reference number, for example, a contract number, sales order number, or any internal tracking code related to this advance payment. This helps in associating the payment with a particular transaction or agreement. We can note this as an advance received from the customer. After completing the header-level details, we save the transaction. Now, we need to add the line item for the customer from whom we're receiving the advance. Click the Add button to input this detail. The system automatically selects the appropriate account based on the subledger configuration. We'll select the customer, say Dacking, as the party making the payment. Then we enter the amount received, for example $5,000, as an advance. Once entered, we save this line item. You can also include multiple customers in the same receipt transaction depending on your operational preference. For instance, we can add another entry for a different customer, say Telma, and record an advance of $12,000 received from them. A separate reference number can be added for each entry as needed. Once all the line items are added, we save the overall transaction. The final step is to post the transaction. Posting finalizes the entry and generates the necessary ledger postings in the system. With that, we've successfully recorded advance payments from 2 customers using the Receive Money application. In upcoming videos, we'll demonstrate how to apply these advance payments against invoices. Thank you for watching.